What if the secret to health was not in a pill, but in your pantry? Shallots are an overlooked ingredient packed with more protective antioxidants than garlic and onions. Adding them to your meals takes less than 60 seconds, yet the benefits are immense. Shallots belong to the powerful allium family, offering a unique and highly potent nutrient profile. Specific compounds in shallots help relax blood vessels and support healthy cholesterol levels naturally. Peer-reviewed research suggests shallots may target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells completely untouched. These bulbs also activate your immune system, acting as natural defenders for your body. We invite you to discover the science behind these medicinal compounds for yourself today. Your cloudtable.com and research health benefits of shallots to access our detailed research guide. Find culinary tips to preserve nutritional power and printable guides for your weekly routine. Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine," but knowledge is the true prescription. Take control of your health today. Visit cloudtable.com and discover the